In the depths of the ocean, a giant octopus is silently hunting.
Below the thunders of the upper deep, far, far beneath, in the abysmal sea.
With keen eyes and flexible tentacles, it approaches its prey with sophistication and caution.
An ambush.
And then the awaited moment arrives. The octopus darts towards the crab, wrapping it tightly with its powerful tentacles.
Far, far beneath.
Just as the octopus is about to enjoy its catch, a net suddenly drops. The octopus struggles, trying to escape, but it is futile. It has fallen into the human trap and is hauled aboard the Arctic Explorer. Welcome to the journey of exploring the giant octopus, the mysterious creature of the sea. Today, we join Captain Jack Harris and his crew on the Arctic Explorer for an exciting and challenging hunt. Join us on this adventure to uncover fascinating secrets about the giant octopus. Don't forget to subscribe to the Captain Discovery channel to support us in creating more fascinating content. The giant octopus, known as the giant Pacific octopus, has been a legend of the ocean. This creature is renowned not only for its large size, but also for the mysterious stories and remarkable adaptability it possesses. In history, the giant octopus has been mentioned in various cultures. From the folklore of coastal people to modern scientific documents, the first studies on the giant octopus began in the 19th century, when European scientists first described this creature through specimens and images collected from deep-sea expeditions. Giant octopuses can be found in the cold and temperate waters of the North Pacific, from the coasts of Alaska, Canada to Japan and Russia. They usually live at depths of 20 to 1,500 meters below sea level, where they hide in caves and crevices, far from human sight. With 3 hearts and blue blood, due to the presence of hemocyanin, the giant octopus can efficiently transport oxygen in the cold, low-oxygen environment. They are also known for their superior intelligence, adept camouflage abilities, and the capacity to generate lost limbs quickly. Today, we join Captain Jack Harris and his crew on the Arctic Explorer for an exciting and challenging hunt to understand more about this mysterious creature. At dawn on the Alaskan coast, the first rays of sunlight pierce the mist. The fishing vessel, Arctic Explorer, drifts quietly on the calm water, preparing for a daring and challenging journey, hunting the giant octopus, the legendary creature of the sea. Captain Jack Harris, with 20 years of experience at sea, stands on the deck, his eyes focused on the horizon. He and his crew of longtime companions each carry a determination and endless passion for the sea. After hours of drifting, the Arctic explorer reaches the waters where giant octopuses usually hide. The atmosphere on the boat becomes tense and thrilling. The crew prepares hunting equipment, sturdy nets, large fishing rods, and advanced diving gear.
Bering Sea right here, we're stuck in the middle.
Steve, a veteran diver, checks his diving suit one last time. He knows that facing a creature that can weigh over 100 kilograms and reach up to 6 meters in length is no simple task. The team decides to use both fishing rods and underwater diving to increase their chances of success. As the sun begins to set, Steve, along with divers Mike and Tom, slowly descends into the ocean. Their powerful lights illuminate a mysterious and colorful underwater landscape. Suddenly, a giant shadow appears in the light, a giant octopus. The octopus, with its large eyes and massive tentacles, quickly recognizes the presence of humans. It releases black ink, creating a murky shield, then darts towards the crevices. Steve and his teammates pursue it, but fail to catch it. Realizing that direct capture will not be easy, the team decides to use bait traps. They set up a large cage with fresh crab as bait and wait. Within a few hours, the octopus, unable to resist the scent of the bait, enters the trap, bringing the first live octopus. In the middle of the night, a strange sound emanates from the radar system. Captain Jack quickly checks and discovers another giant creature moving underwater, larger than any octopus they have ever seen. Determination and curiosity surge, and Jack orders the crew to prepare for a new hunt. The atmosphere on the boat becomes more tense and thrilling than ever. This is cold and deep water, with many coral reefs and seabed crevices, the ideal environment for giant octopuses. Steve, Mike, and Tom continue preparing for the dive, this time bringing recording equipment to capture previous moments underwater. As they descend, a mysterious and beautiful world unfolds before them. Colorful coral reefs, schools of fish swimming around, and strange sea creatures create a vibrant picture. As they dive deeper into the coral reef, Steve unexpectedly discovers a large cave. Inside the cave, not just one, but 3 giant octopuses of enormous size are resting. Their tentacles are coiled like giant snakes. Steve signals Mike and Tom to approach carefully without disturbing the creatures.
That's when I decided that this was my chance to feel an octopus's suckers.
Steve quickly approaches the first octopus, but it immediately reacts by releasing a cloud of black ink, obscuring his vision. Meanwhile, Mike is facing the second octopus. This one is larger and more aggressive. It attacks Mike by using its powerful tentacles to wrap tightly around him, pulling him to the seabed. Mike fights to keep his breath, using a knife to cut through the tentacles to escape its grip. Steve arrives just in time and helps Mike pull the octopus up. They use all their remaining strength to ensure the creature does not escape. Tom is under intense pressure, but he does not give up. Steve and Mike swim over to help Tom in the final battle. The third octopus unexpectedly lashes out, wrapping its tentacles tightly around Mike's legs and arms, pulling him to the seabed.
Vamos precisar de uma mesa maior, capitão!
Meu Deus! Não vai caber!
Steve and Tom, with their last effort, struggle and use all their strength to rescue Mike. They wrap the net around the octopus and use knives to cut the tentacles, gripping Mike. The three of them work together to pull the octopus to the surface. As the catches are brought onto the deck, everyone can hardly believe their eyes. These are the largest octopi they have ever seen, the wondrous creatures of the sea. Cheers and joy fill the deck. They know they have set a new record and created an unforgettable adventure story. When the Arctic Explorer docks, the giant octopi are quickly transferred to specialized trucks to be taken to the processing plant. This process requires care and precision to ensure the octopi remain fresh and of high quality. At the plant, workers dressed in white uniforms, masks, and gloves begin the processing. The giant octopuses are taken to the cleaning area, where cold seawater is used to remove sand and impurities from their bodies. After being cleaned, the octopi are sorted by size and quality. Larger and higher quality ones are reserved for premium products like sashimi, sushi, or specialty dishes. Smaller octopi are used for other products such as dried octopus, canned octopus, or other processed items. In the processing area, workers use sharp tools to cut the octopi into parts. The octopus meat is then soaked in a special processing solution to retain freshness and flavor. After that, they are vacuum packed and frozen for export or distribution to restaurants and supermarkets. Interesting facts about octopus. Octopi are unique marine animals with many distinctive features and exceptional intelligence. They can solve complex problems and use tools. They can camouflage themselves by changing their skin color and texture, and they squirt ink to distract predators when in danger. Notably, octopi can autonomize and regenerate limbs, and their decentralized nervous system allows their arms to operate independently. They move flexibly by crawling, swimming, and even walking on their arms, making octopus efficient hunters in the marine environment. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of giant octopus. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below.